So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I am going to show you how to dual map tile set system in Godot. In order to do dual map tile system, first let's understand why it is needed. So as you know, if we see the previous traditional methods of using tile sets is generally very large amount of tiles are required in order to create a better transitioning tiles. So in order to reduce that pain for the artist and for the developer to import and bit mask each and every tile, it will be much easier to do with the dual grid system, because dual grid system requires much less tiles and a very fast forward method that we can apply, and we can directly get the tile sets working. So let me show you how dual grid system looks like. So right now you can see I have these examples here. These examples are created by Jesse Code, so you can check it out. It's links in the description. First of all, you can see this is the general basic tile set that we generally use, the top down tile set. And if I just use, you can see we can easily paint over any areas, and so you can see that it's very easy. And if I show you the tiles, you can see there are only 16 tiles here, the 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom, so like 16 tiles here, not. And if we move to the next tile set, which is isometric, so dual grid system also works in isometric perspective. So you can see how many tiles we have. So we have total of 16 tiles, and if I start painting the terrains here, so you can see we can easily paint some basic isometric tiles here without any kind of distortion or anything. It works flawlessly. And if we check out half of horizontal, it also works here, same as half of vertical tile set. And similarly, if we check out hexagonal tiles, it also works here, same amount of tiles required to basically make this hexagon pattern here. And the most very beautiful thing about this is this hex vertical. So you can see there is some perspective blob here. So if I just use this tile set here, you can see we can easily paint these patterns here flawlessly. And we don't need to do a lot of things. We just need a simple tile set which have around 16 tiles, but for this particular scenario we only need 4 tile sets, and these 4 tile sets can create this beautiful pattern. So it looks pretty cool, right? Let's get started on how we can do this in Godot. So here's the demo I created with this tile set. You can see this tile set I created. I will also show you how you can create your own tile set. So first of all, if we go here and if I go to terrains, you can see if I go here, we can also paint with just 16 tiles, right? We don't need to do all the 47 tiles that we have to do in order to create a beautiful tile map. Let's do and see how it works. So this is our current blank scene here. So if we go on our test scene, so first of all, what we need to do is we need to go this asset library section, and we need to search for dual tile map here, or maybe you need to search for tile map dual. So you can see this is the plugin that we are going to use. So if you click on it and then download and install it, then you can access all these files that I have shown here. Now let's move back to our scene here. So how we can use this dual tile map system? So first of all, you need to go to your project settings, and then you need to go to plugins and make sure this plugin is enabled. After that, we just need to go to our test scene and we can directly search for tile map here. So you can see if I search tile map here, there are 4 new nodes appeared here. So we are going to choose this tile map dual here. So if I create on it, and you can see we got this thing here, and now we need a tile set for dual grid tile map here. So for that, let's check this. So this is the whole template that you can use. I will provide the link in the description. It is also available in the GitHub repository which is also linked in the description. So this is the whole template that you can use to edit your tiles. So after that you can edit and make your own tiles, like I have done this here. So I have make that pink thing here as grass and the other part is as ground here. So now if we go back to our scene here, we just need to go and click on this tile set here. So now we can just click on new tile set and open it. And if we click on new tile set here, and now I just need to find my asset here. So my asset is this one. So if I import it here, let's click on yes, and that's it. We have already imported the tile set here. Now you just need to click on tile map, and that's it. So now if I want to paint the ground here, I can just do that. And if I also want to paint the grass here, we can also do that. So that's it, guys. This is how easy it is. And don't worry about anything. You can just find this repo in the description. And if we see, there is one more important thing here. So if you want to create any of these patterns, you can check out this repository and check out the tile set here. So you can see the pattern of these tile sets, how they are drawn and uh, how they are arranged. So make sure you arrange them rightly and draw them correctly, and then you can use this basically plugin to make your own tile map here like this. So that's it. So if you like this video, please do a subscribe.